Join me as I take on the challenge of transforming my entire day of meals into healthy options. Let's see if I can make eating healthy easy. Eating healthy is one of those things that we all know we should be doing, but sometimes it feels like it's just too hard. We're constantly bombarded with information about what we should and shouldn't be eating, and it can be overwhelming. But the truth is, eating healthy is not just about following a specific diet or eating certain foods. It's about making conscious choices that nourish our bodies and support our overall well-being. One of the biggest misconceptions people have about healthy eating is that it's too time-consuming. We're always told that we need to spend hours in the kitchen cooking complex meals, but that's just not true. Another barrier people face is lack of knowledge. They don't know where to start or what healthy eating even looks like. Some people think that healthy eating means cutting out entire food groups or following a super restrictive diet. And then there are those who just feel like they don't have the energy or motivation to make changes. So what's the solution? For me, it's all about simplicity. One of the simplest and most effective strategies is meal prep. Taking a few minutes on the weekend to plan out your meals for the week can make a huge difference. You can chop veggies, cook proteins, and assemble salads or bowls that are easy to grab and go. Another strategy is to focus on whole foods. Things like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. These foods are nutrient-dense and can be just as convenient as processed foods. Incorporating healthy eating into daily life doesn't have to be complicated. Start by making 1 or 2 small changes, like swapping out your morning cereal for oatmeal with fruit or bringing a lunch from home instead of buying fast food. As you get into the habit, you can start to make more changes. Before you know it, healthy eating will become second nature. Choosing whole foods over processed ones is a great place to start. Not only are whole foods better for you, but they're also often less expensive and just as convenient. I want to share a story with you that really drives home the power of healthy eating. A friend of mine used to eat a lot of processed foods and sugary snacks, but she decided to make a change. She started by cutting out soda and replacing it with water, and then she began to experiment with new recipes and ingredients. Fast forward a few months and she had more energy, her skin was clearer, and she felt amazing. What's even more impressive is that she didn't make any drastic changes. She just made small, incremental shifts that added up over time. The best part about healthy eating is that it's not all or nothing. You don't have to become a perfect eater overnight. Just making a few small changes can have a big impact. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your immune system, or just feel better in your own skin, healthy eating is a great place to start. Thanks for joining me on this journey to make eating healthy easy. If you've got any favorite healthy eating tips or strategies, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more advice on how to make healthy eating a part of your daily life, be sure to check out my other videos.